Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Lightbox. First, you'll need to download the Lightbox library, which typically includes CSS and JavaScript files. Once downloaded, create a dedicated project folder to keep everything organized. Then, move the Lightbox CSS file into your project's CSS directory and the JavaScript file into your JS directory. This initial step ensures all necessary components are in their proper places for easy access and integration. Next, let's prepare your HTML. Begin by linking the Lightbox CSS file in the head section of your HTML document, just like any other style sheet. For each image you want to display in a Lightbox, wrap it in an anchor tag. Crucially, add the Data Lightbox attribute to this anchor tag, giving it a unique name for grouping. You can also include a data title attribute for a descriptive caption. Now for the JavaScript integration. Place the Lightbox JavaScript file link just before your closing body tag in the HTML. It's essential to ensure that jQuery, which Lightbox often depends on, is loaded before the Lightbox script itself. After linking, you'll typically initialize Lightbox with a simple script call, often lightbox. Option: to activate its functionality across your specified images. Finally, you can customize Lightbox to fit your site's aesthetic and functionality. Many options are available, such as adjusting the animation speed, enabling image resizing, or changing the overlay color. Refer to the Lightbox documentation for a full list of configurable settings. After making your adjustments, thoroughly test your implementation in a web browser to ensure all images open correctly and the user experience is seamless.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.